G'day guys and welcome back to the channel. This is AK. I'm going to take you through something a little bit different today, as you can already see by the huge backyard. This is not an apartment, but this is a house in the exclusive neighborhood of Las Palmas, Medellin. Las Palmas is a little bit up the mountain. It still qualifies as Poblado, but it's away from all the hustle and bustle. And as you can see already, this place is pretty decked out. All the finishes are fairly new, and this is an operating Airbnb. It has a perfect 5-star rating and it's been operating for the past couple of years. Rents for about $8,000 to $10,000 a month. Why? Because it's huge. It is 470 meters, just the built area, and the land is 2,500 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms and it has 4 bathrooms. It has balconies, it has a patio, it has a terrace. It even has a kind of rooftop patio that we're going to see in a little bit at the end of the video. And it's only 8 years old, so it's a pretty new place as well. This place has Samsung smart TVs in every bedroom, high-speed Starlink internet. It has Samsung air conditioning and heating in every single room, and it also has an integrated sound system throughout the apartment. It has an electric gate and also a CCTV system for all the security that you need, and the washer and dryer as well. This place is completely turnkey, right? So if you buy it, you can chuck it straight up on Airbnb. You don't have to do anything. You can even buy it with all the furniture included. The price actually is all inclusive. So this is really good for someone who wants an apartment to live in or even an investment. Look at that view there. Look at those huge big windows. You could really see how this would be a successful Airbnb property for someone coming on a vacation or coming with a big group. I mean, this place is really, really Instagram worthy, something that people would love to take photos of and send back to all their mates back home. So those were the bedrooms we just saw. As I said, there's 5 of them. Now let's head out onto the balcony and take a look. This artwork's a bit questionable. Not the biggest fan of that, but guys, you can change it and make it look however you want. Check out this bathroom. Pretty schmick, and you can have a shower and look out at the trees at the same time, which is pretty cool. So I'll just be quiet for a sec. You can enjoy this view. Imagine waking up to that every morning. And also you can see in the background there is a jacuzzi. Yes, this place comes with a jacuzzi, just another reason why this would be a great rental and people would love Instagramming this. If you want to check this one out, guys, or you want some help finding something else, make sure you click the link in the description and someone from our team will get back to you to help you out.